everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Girl Like Me by Gugudan. Is it right? Yeah, it's a K-pop music. Alright? So let's start. Where's the girls? Alright? So from the top, go 1, 2, 3, 4, away on 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So next from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, up on 3, close on 4, hips on 5, 6, cross on 7, and 8. Good job. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, close on 4, hips 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, maybe open more. Open more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross, 7, 8. Good job. Next, hips on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you do that, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. Walk on 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay. Go 5 and 6, 7, and 8. From here, 6, 7, and right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's go on. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, front on 7, 8, open on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, and 1. Simple as that. From here, 6, 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. From the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. 7, 8. 2, 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2. Stop. 5 and 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Next, just walk around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 7, 8. Simple. Next, hips 1, click on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close on 7, hit on up, 8, and my phone. You got that one? So from here, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Party. Yeah. All of it from the beginning. Here we go. On 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 6. Party! Good job! Go! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments on our video, okay? And if you like this kind of video, just go to my playlist and you can search there. There's a lot. Okay? See you next time.